to remind women in this room and to myself that it was sacrifices of our mothers, grandmothers and great-grandmothers and the choices which they made, which enabled us to be in this room and to move freely in this society, to choose our career, to choose our passion, and even to become entrepreneurs. I just want to let you all know that I met Madam Mayor last week, and I was very much critical about an organization which has mostly white men, which is about 95%. Then she immediately made a point to me that even in a developed country like United States, until past few generations, women were not allowed to come out and work. That was a very surprising element for me. Thank you for letting me know that, Madam Mayor. I also want to let the men and women in this room that through She Jobs, I am not trying to reinvent anything. This is something which you all been doing since many years and a decade. If you have hired a women employee, then which means you are part of She Jobs already. Through She Jobs, we are only trying to increase percentages of the women workforce and underrepresented minorities. I also want to take a moment and honor the policymakers in both men and women who struggled hard and worked with a lot of efforts on changing some policies around women which made women to have a safe place in this earth. And when I was child, my father was a journalist, my mother was a government official. So my father, when he goes around the world, he comes home, sits with me and talks to me about all the women achievers, even his colleagues. At that tenderhood, I was not able to understand what he wants me to become because he was kept on telling me those stories to me and he wanted to motivate me always. But today I got the answer for that through She Jobs. I could understand what he was dreaming and visualizing me to become when I grow. And whenever my mother had longer work hours and when she was challenging fellow men in some of the situations, I only see that admiration on my father's eyes. I would like to urge all the men here, it's okay if you don't want to support your women or motivate them, that's totally fine. But just make sure you don't make your women guilty about the choices they make. And when we say Women's Day, it's all stereotype. So we say like she's a mother, she's a daughter, daughter-in-law, sister, wife, whatever. But I think we should start celebrating it as because of the career she has chosen and because of the accomplishments she made. Like let's call her an entrepreneur, an engineer, a doctor, a politician, or whatever it is, even a model for that matter. And through She Jobs, we want to work with the women who have got gaps in their career. We want to make them get back to the workforce, so we help on reskilling and upskilling. And we work with the organizations who want to hire more women into their workforce, and which enables them to increase the diversity metrics. And diversity starts from home. So I am very much thankful to all my girls who occupy 95% of